Hello, this is Jason at the Montana Digital Academy, and I'm going to show you today how to use the Yahoo Media Player to play embedded MP3s in your Moodle course. So first and foremost, I want to highlight the Yahoo Media Player to you. I've put a link here up on the screen. There it is, which is a tiny URL or bit.ly URL to my page that's the tutorial about how to do this, and you may want to get to there before you try to embed this because you'll need an embed code from that page. So I'm going to go back to Moodle, and I'm going to start off by turning editing on. And then I'm not linking directly to an audio file, but instead I'm going to make a audio file part of another web page. So again, that's a distinction here, and that's why I'm going to use this particular player. So I'm going to start off by adding a resource, and then compose a web page. And I'll need to name this web page. And now I'm going to go down here to the full text area. And one thing to know here is that you have to actually create text to associate this with. So I'm going to go ahead and put some sample text in. And I'm going to take that second sample text and turn that into an embedded MP3 area. So to do this, I'm going to first need to actually turn on the Yahoo Media Player inside my course. So to do that, I'm going to start off by clicking on the little brackets here which show you the HTML code. Then I'm going to go to the Yahoo Player page, and I need this embed code here to be able to embed this on my other page. So I'm going to go there, right-click Copy, and now back to my Moodle course, and with this HTML code showing, I'm going to right-click Paste. And you'll notice it puts a tiny bit of code in this area. Once I've added that code once, this web page is good to go. I can add as many links to MP3s on this page, and it will create players for it. So I'm going to toggle HTML source again, bring back my rich text, and then I want this sample text here in the middle to actually be a clickable MP3 link. So I'm going to highlight it, then go to the link icon in the toolbar, and then browse for a particular file. And one thing to note here is that if you're planning on using a lot of audio files in your Moodle course, you may want to create a directory called audio and organize that audio well. If you're going to use a lot of clips for your own sanity later, and also to clean up your course organization, you may want to create directories now so that you can organize that audio in a certain way. But once I get to this insert link browser box, I'm going to click on my audio folder, and then you'll notice that I have a sample audio here that's an MP3. I'm going to click on that file name, which is going to place that file name here in the insert link, and then press OK. Now you'll notice this is now hyperlink text, and if I go to Save and Display, that sample text now has a little playable button by it. If I click on that playable button, you'll notice it brings down this tiny box in the bottom, which is like a playlist that's run by the Yahoo Media Player. And again, that allows you to put playable audio inside a web page inside of Moodle. Thanks. Good luck.